Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel printing documents in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you accidentally send the wrong document to your printer or need to stop a print job, this is how you are going to cancel it. First, you can cancel from the printer panel. So if your printer has a physical display or buttons, you can just press the cancel or stop button on the printer and refer to your printer's user manual for model specific instruction. You can also cancel from the print queue. You can open the print queue by pressing on Windows plus R, and here type on control printers and then hit on enter or OK, and then you can just locate your printer and right click it and select see what's printing. You can just right click the document in the list and select cancel and confirm the action if prompted. You can also cancel via the printer icon in the taskbar. You can just look for the printer icon in the system tray on the bottom right corner of the screen in here. Click it to open the print queue and right click the document and select cancel. You can also restart the print spooler service, but this is an advanced method. So if the document remains stuck in the queue, you can just again click on the Windows plus R and then type in services, this one, services.msc, and then click on OK or enter. And then find here the print spooler in the list. You can just find it. And then you can just right click on the print spooler and select stop. You can also navigate to see Windows System 32 spool printers and delete all files in the folder. You can return to the Surfaces window, right click on the print spooler again and select start. Or you can also cancel directly from the application. You can go back to the application where the print job was initiated, such as this one, WPS or Word or Excel, and check if there's an option to cancel the print job within the application. For example, here I'm going to print this one and hit on OK. You can see there will be this cancel button, so you can just tap on cancel on that. You can also disconnect the printer as a last resort. You can just turn off the printer, disconnect it from your computer, and clear the print queue using the methods above. The methods before reconnecting. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on text. Bye.